This is a 4-bedroom apartment right now. It's available in Hid. This is 4 bedrooms with 2 halls in Majlis, closed kitchen type. If you go towards this side, we have a separate entrance or door towards the Majlis. And with a balcony, this is an attached toilet for the Majlis itself. There's a partition here. You can make it into a separate separation. And this is the hallway, the open hall, also with balcony. As we move towards this corridor, basically you get to see on the left hand side we have the kitchen here, exactly the opposite on the layout on the other side. That should be the kitchen, also with balcony, so 3 balconies in this type of an apartment. Guest toilet, we'll just have a look on this one. All of the others are the same layout, same interiors. 4 rooms here, so if you convert the closed hall or Majlis into another room, it could be 5 rooms. So this is room 1, guest toilet outside. This is room 2, sorry for the Carpark. Room 3. This one's with the attached toilet, so it's a master. And room 4. Oh shoot. This is room 4 also. No, this one's not a master. So 2 rooms. I'm supposing, yeah. Let me just count them back again. 1, 2, 3, 3 rooms with a common toilet, guest toilet outside. 1 with a master toilet. 4 rooms, 2 halls, 3 balconies, closed kitchen. Yeah,